Book of Heaven, Volume 2, June 16th, 1899. Chastisements are necessary in order to humiliate the creatures. He still continues to make himself seen with the intention to chastise. I prayed him to pour his bitternesses into me and to spare the whole world, and if this were not possible, to spare at least those who belong to me and my town. The intention of the confessor also seemed to unite to this intention. So it seemed that, conquered by the prayers, Jesus poured a little bit from his mouth, but not that cup mentioned above. This little bit that he poured, he seemed to pour in order to somehow spare my town, though not completely, and those who belong to me. However, this morning I myself have been a cause of affliction for Jesus. Since I saw him more calm after he had poured, without thinking I said to him, "My lovable Jesus, I pray you to free me from the bother I caused to the confessor of having him come every day. What would it cost you to free me yourself, releasing me from that state of sufferings yourself, just as you yourself put me in it? Indeed, it would cost you nothing, and if you want, you can do anything." But while I was saying this, Jesus' face turned so afflicted that I felt that affliction penetrate deep into my inmost heart. And without telling me a word, he disappeared. How mortified I was left, only the Lord knows, thinking especially that he might not come any more. However, a little later he came back, but with greater affliction, with his face all swollen and full of blood from offenses he had just received. All sad, Jesus said,
"Look at what they have done to me. How can you say that you don't want me to chastise the creatures? Chastisements are necessary in order to humiliate them, and not to let them grow bolder."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the Divine Will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the Divine Will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the Divine Will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the Divine Will, always.